After exiting the wrist tie, make your first hitch on the lower wrap using the same methods as the top wrap. Although Kinoko uses a different method, I come around the line exiting the top hitch as I did with the previous version. Then I come diagonally and right over the stem, passing under both wraps and to the left of it. Come back the opposite direction to make the X. Go under the lower wraps on the left hand side and exit between the wraps. Go between the wraps on the other side, up and over the top wrap, right and back between the wraps again to tie off. Tidy up any remaining rope or ends.